Hey everyone, Kyle here from Wealthy Affiliate. Welcome to another episode of Beer with Kyle Fridays. Today I would like to discuss the affiliate program and entrance points and also get your feedback on what you would like to see. One thing that we want to do is really simplify your ability to promote Wealthy Affiliate. Obviously, we run one of the most lucrative affiliate programs online. And we want to allow more and more people to take full advantage of that. And we want to provide you more options to be able to promote Wealthy Affiliate and to do so cost efficiently and also in a way that's going to lead to maximum conversions. In order to do this, we need to provide you with more and more tools and flexibility to make that happen. That's something that we're aware of. And also we have updated training and sort of a boot camp style class sequence coming in September as well that I am going to be running that is going to hopefully get a whole bunch of you to Vegas status by the end of the year. We have a renewed Vegas platform coming in on September 1st. So that's something that we're going to be announcing as well. But these are the things that I want to discuss in this video here. Before we get into things, this week's beer is Fat Tug. Now, I've done this one in the past. Sometimes you just feel like a Fat Tug IPA. This is, I think it's the best beer going. A lot of others would also think this. And I've done this one in the past, but it is Friday and it feels like that sort of day. So I'm going to open this. This is by Driftwood Brewery, which is an excellent local brewery. This Fat Tug beer is being sold, I believe, all over Western Canada now, which is fairly unusual for a particular beer. It's very popular over in the Vancouver area as well. You can see it's got a nice sort of IPA tone to it, and it's as delicious as ever. So Fat Tug IPA, if you can get your hands on that, if you're down in the US or somewhere else in the world, it's probably going to be a lot more difficult to get your hands on. But if you're on the west coast of Canada, get your hands on some Fat Tug. It's really good. Let's get right into things. Okay, so first things first, our affiliate program here at Wealthy Affiliate. One thing you probably have noticed since our recent UX update is a lack of Vegas inside of the platform itself. The Vegas count has vanished, and this was actually just an oversight. It hasn't been the highest priority project to get back in because we've been working on all sorts of other stuff. This is going to be coming back. We are redesigning it and redeveloping it. And Vegas is going to be a goal from me to you to get you down there next year. So we are going to be offering a fresh program as of September 1st. And you are just as capable as anyone in terms of making Vegas. Our product is the best it's ever going to be. As of September, and as we roll out some of the projects that we've been working on, and as we move forward in this new world of what we're deeming hyper development, where we can get things out quicker than we ever have been. We have a brand new tool that is undisclosed, hopefully coming next week. We have Jaxi that we're actively working on and hoping to get out there very soon as well. And then we have a new version of Business Hubs alongside other projects that we are moving forward with and other initiatives. So there's a lot going on behind the scenes as the platform here at Wealthy Affiliate gets better and better. It becomes easier and easier to promote as it converts at a much higher rate. So we're very excited about the affiliate program and the affiliate opportunity here. And as I mentioned, I also have some training that's going to be released towards the end of the month, and you're going to be able to take part in that as a premium and premium plus member here within the community. So very excited about all of that. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that the Vegas incentive is coming back. It still exists. It just doesn't show since our latest UX update. Now, what I want to discuss is the entrance points that are going to allow you to promote Wealthy Affiliate. I want to dive into that next and also get a bunch of your feedback. Okay, so entrance points. The main entrance point is our homepage, which is where ideally everyone will be sending traffic to promote Wealthy Affiliate. It's where people can learn about it. It's where we test and refine conversions. And this is something that we're actively updating and will continue to update as we roll out new platforms and as we have data that can help us improve this environment. So someone comes here through your affiliate link at Wealthy Affiliate, they join, you get full referral credit and lifetime referral credit. If they upgrade, you earn recurring commissions for the lifetime of that user. So, and that can amount to many thousands of dollars over the years. We've had members here for 13, 14, 15 years. If that was your person that you referred, that is thousands of dollars in commissions for one referral here to the platform. And of course, we run on the freemium model. So it is free to start at Wealthy Affiliate, to try out the starter membership, to test drive the platform, to utilize our tools, to join in on the community. And that is sort of removes all the resistance of joining something when there isn't, an expense up front, and it allows us to showcase the quality of our platform and service and the amazing community that we have here at Wealthy Affiliate. So that is one entrance point. Another one that is now available is the Namegenuity. If you go there and you click on Get Affiliate Links, you can generate an affiliate link, and that if someone ultimately wants to search and find a domain, you can drive them to Namegenuity. So that's another entrance point. Another one that is getting very close is called MillionSpark. And what this allows people to do is search for a niche, or as it says, your next big idea. And they have lots of ideas here as well. So it helps people go from an idea. So say I wanted to choose the yoga instruction niche, someone could search that. And then it's going to provide a full analysis of that niche and help them understand how they would actively build a business online. So this is something that you're going to be able to share. I am fully intending on releasing this next week. I know I've alluded to this in the past, but I've been working diligently to really get this dialed in. If someone, again, you're going to be able to create affiliate links for this. So someone does a search, they click on any of the promotional buttons within the platform. It's going to send them off to the Wealthy Affiliate homepage to join and start their business. So that's going to be another entrance point as well. But we're also capable of building out lots of entrance points quickly. Entrance points like a niche entrance point where people can get an analysis of a niche, a domain entrance point, of course, our homepage entrance point. Some other ideas are things like a quiz. So see how ready you are to win online. That will probably say succeed online. And you can go through a quiz and it will qualify you for whether or not you're ready to start a business online. So that's one that we could also create, and something that I'm working on right now. I want to make it a little bit more interactive though than it is now, but it walks people through the process and shows them that they're capable of building a business online. It's a fun and interactive quiz, and that can be another entrance point that you could share on social media or elsewhere. What I want you to do is to think of and come up with ideas of potential entrance points or platforms. What is something that you would like to see that is similar to this flow? Something that's simple, something that you could share on your website, something that you could share anywhere on social media, something that you could easily share with a friend or family member, and it would engage and spark their interest and also encourage them to join, because in this case, people click click on this, it would send them off to wealthyaffiliate.com, and then they would join. Again, this is an incomplete project, but this is where we're going to head. If we can offer you, 5 or 10 or 15 different entrance points that you could use for certain audiences, I think that it would really allow you to get more and more referrals, captivate your audiences at a much higher rate, because you're giving away value instead of saying, go here to, make $1 million. Instead, you're putting them through a process. You're giving them a tool. You're giving them a walkthrough, something that they can tangibly touch and feel and interact with, that will lead to a sign up versus a hard sell on something, which is oftentimes much more difficult, and in particular in this industry, people shy away from. So what I want you to do is, when you get a chance, jump down in the comments. What are some entrance points or ideas that you would like to see? I know I've gotten some feedback in the past in respect to this, but now that you've seen a few of the ideas, I'd love to hear what you think in terms of entrance points, because we can do pretty much anything in that respect. And also, we don't want to make them too complex. If the process is too complex to ultimately join Wealthy Affiliate, then it's going to happen at a much lower rate. So we want something more short form in terms of the flow, that's interactive, that's relevant to the end user, and that's encouraging and inspiring at the end of the day to join Wealthy Affiliate to fulfill what they want to do. Build a business online, start a business in a given niche, get a domain. There's many different things that we can tackle here. So jump down in the comments below. I wish you an amazing Friday and weekend ahead, and I will catch up with you next week. I look forward to seeing your comments. Cheers.